Hi Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome or welcome back to your finances and general guidance energy reading for the month of July 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay Taurus, so let's look at into your finances and general guidance energy reading for the month of July 2021. Also Taurus, please note that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you Taurus, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to give a like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Okay, so let's look at into your reading here. Taurus. It's quite interesting because I've got the Chariot and then I've got the Strength coming up here. Wow, I've got the Ten of Pentacles coming up for you here as well, Taurus. So this is definitely like a very good news coming up for you here this month of July, throughout this month of July here, especially when it comes into your finances. The Ten of Pentacles here is basically talking about richness in all level. I do feel like you're finally going to be able to get that financial stability and basically going to get some money here to basically make you feel stable, I would say here. The first thing that I heard coming out for you here, Taurus, this is going to be a very specific message. For those of you who are struggling with some kind of like a loan or some kind of like debt here, this month I do feel like definitely going to be able to clear that up. I feel like you're definitely going to be able to clear, basically like finishing up all your loans, or at least half of it here, like the majority of it here is what I'm getting. Definitely like a wonderful energy that I've got coming up for you. And then with these two major arcana that I've got here, the Chariot basically talking about money coming in, a lot of new opportunities coming in, money coming into towards your life is what I'm getting. And then I feel like the month of August is going to be quite significant for you here, Taurus. I feel like towards the end of this month, the month of July, towards to the beginning of to the beginning of the month of August, and throughout the month of August, you're going to see a lot more blessings and a lot more abundance coming up towards you here. Now another thing that I've got coming up for you here, Taurus, I've got the Five of Wands energy comes up here with the Seven of Cups. Now with this Five of Wands energy, I'm getting feeling little bit conflicted or just like not feeling good within yourself. With the Seven of Cups here, I'm also getting a very strong confusion energy coming up here. So I feel like you have been in this confusion stage, I would say here, and you have been having this conflicted energy and just like kind of like not sure where you need to go and where to where to change your direction. And I feel like you have been in this particular stage for quite a while, I would say here. Some of you have been in this stage for years, I would say, or even like ever since the pandemic started here. But I feel like this month of July here, towards the end of the month, you're definitely going to see a lot of good news, and majority of your confusion, majority of your stress, majority of your anxiety is finally going to be taken off from you here is what I'm getting. Another thing that I've got coming up here, Taurus, with this Two of Swords energy coming up here, again, this is going to be a very specific message. I feel like this message is specifically for those of you who are currently negotiating something, either in terms of your career, like negotiating a new job, negotiating like a salary package, or for those of you who are doing some sort of like a business, like trying to negotiate something. I feel like there is something that has been trying to negotiate, or there is something that has been waiting for quite a while, I would say here, Taurus, and you're finally going to be getting the answer of that here. Like you've been waiting for a decision, you've been waiting, like you've been in this negotiation for quite a while. So I feel like excuse me, I do also feel like some sort of like a contract based energy is also another thing that I've got coming up here. So for those of you who have been waiting to get a contract signed, for both of you, have been waiting to just just get over this, you just like kind of like need to get this negotiation done, you're finally going to be achieving that this month here as well. And then lastly here, I've got for you here, Taurus, I've got the Queen of Cups energy coming up here. Now one thing that I'm getting coming up for you here, Taurus, is that maintaining the balance and maintaining the stability within yourself here, like especially when it comes into your emotional self and your emotional well-being is what I'm getting here. Now, looking at the challenge or the blockage that I'm getting coming up for this month of July here, I've got receive coming up here. Be open to receive goodness. Believe you are worthy of abundance. A gift is coming to you soon. So, like I said here, a gift is coming towards you soon. A gift, abundant blessing. Like I said, anything that have been negotiating here, I'm getting like a very strong negotiation energy. Whatever you've been trying to negotiate, whatever you've been trying to attract onto your life here, you're finally about to receive this, Taurus. So please do not doubt this. And I feel like this is one of the main challenge within yourself here. Even though a gift is coming to you, even though blessings and abundance are coming to you here, Taurus, at the same time, I'm also getting that you are doubting yourself here. The self-doubt is what I'm getting coming up here quite strongly. So please do not doubt these blessings, this abundance that are about to take place onto your life here. And as long as you are able to let go of the doubt, as long as you are able to open up yourself here and believe within yourself here that you deserve to get all of this abundance, that you deserve to get all of these blessings, and you deserve to receive all of these blessings and abundance and everything that have been manifesting here, Taurus, is just going to come much more, much smoother for you here is what I'm getting. Now, the spirit cards message or the general guidance that I've got coming up for you here for this month of July, I'm getting dance coming up here. Move your body to the music, dance with the rhythm of life, manifest your dreams through dance. And then I've also got action coming up here as well. Now is the perfect time to act. Take inspire action towards your dream. Move forward with confidence. So this is one thing that you need to know here, Taurus. This is the time for you here to just move forward with confidence. Like, do not doubt yourself here. Maintaining the balance. Do not feel that you don't deserve anything. Do not feel that as if you're not good enough here. Let go of the fear. Let go of the conflicted energy that you have within yourself here. Let go of the self-doubt is what I'm getting coming up quite strongly. And then with this dance energy that I've got coming up for you here, this is basically talking about when you are trying to manifest, when you are manifesting all of this abundance and all of these blessings that are about to come into your life here, Taurus, you need to do it without any letting go of any limited self-belief. So do it when you are at the high level energy. So do it when, like, imagine when you are looking at the people who are dancing, like people who are dancing will do it with the full energy, with a lot of happiness here. Like, letting go of any words, letting go of any limiting self-belief here is what I'm getting coming up for you here, Taurus. So that's it for your reading for your finances and general guidance for the month of July 2021. I hope the reading resonates with you. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.